Alright guys, time back with an unboxing. It is One Piece Film Z on Blu-ray DVD combo pack. The other one that I just unboxed was the DVD version, so here it is. Same thing. Spine. Other spine. Back. This is region A, region 1 as well. 108 minutes. And this is going to take some time. Put it right there. Front. Spine. Back. Let's open this bad boy. Different plastic on both. That's funny. I've got it. There's your Blu-ray. There's your DVD. Now for the back. Well, shit. And now here's your small vertical one compared to the DVD one. Alright guys, that was my unboxing of One Piece Film Z. Like I always say, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace!